Hey everybody, it's Neil, and today, in my effort to not look so homeless, I got some new clothes. So we're gonna show you guys this here. These are deep gray, size L, and these are some cargo pants. So I'll show you guys what they look like here. They look kind of comfy. They've got that kind of pattern going on it. And I got size large, and these are Hardaddy. I love the Hardaddy stuff. Should be big and comfortable on me, so let me try these on. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna try them on right over my shorts here. And, sorry, I just gotta pick something up off the ground. My doggy's gonna get it. Okay, and so this is how they are. So they are ridiculously comfortable. They've got some good, good thickness to it for like these weird sweatpant things. And they look kind of nice. They've got like a nice little pattern on the side. And they're nice looking. They've got a string here so I can tighten it. Although, I think what size I said? Large. And these are so big on me. These are good for just lounging around the house and looking nice. And I am about 190 pounds, about 5'10", and these fit me good. If I hike it up a little bit here, it won't be dragging on the floor, and it still fits pretty good. So I'm gonna say these are nice, really nice. So totally good. I'm gonna say these are good, and they got nice pockets on them. They feel good, and let me just see what they're made of and see if there's anything I need to know before we move on here. These are made in China, 100% polyester, so they are polyester. So that gives them the good flex and everything too. So these are really nice. I like these. These are gonna be great this winter, totally for just lounging around the house. And they look good, so definitely it'll be better than some of those gray sweatpants I'm using all the time. So thumbs up.